You're watching Republic TV. I'm Richa Sharma, and on top of this news edition, we are getting you a sting which reveals a sense of fast-paced movement in the second leg of the CBI's investigation. The guard of the building from where Disha Salian fell on the intervening nights of 8th and 9th of June has told Republic Media Network's Atul that 4 to 6 member team visited Rohan Rai's flat last night, and they stayed there for about 30 minutes. If we go by the claims made by this guard of the building in the second phase of the investigation, Disha death link is also being looked into. Watch the claims made in the sting operation, and later we'll also speak with my colleague Atul Krishna, who will in fact break down all the details. Take a look.
क्या नाम है आपका?
मेरा नाम गोलू है।
गोलू? अच्छा सुनो ना सर, कुछ वो लेके गए हैं क्या यहाँ से? मतलब
नहीं,
कितने बजे आए थे?
10 बजे आए थे सर।
5 लोग थे?
गोलू मेरा नंबर है।
अच्छे सर।
ओके,
ठीक है।
5 लोग थे?
हाँ।
तो कोई और आया था इसके अलावा?
नहीं, इसके अलावा कोई नहीं है।
और ऊपर अभी कोई रह रहा है?
नहीं, अभी इस समय कोई नहीं है।
कोई भी नहीं?
इस समय भी कोई नहीं।
तो रोहन राय कब से नहीं आया?
सर ये तो सब नहीं,
ये भी नहीं मालूम। उन लोगों ने बोला कि हम सीबीआई से हैं?
नहीं, वो लोग ही नहीं।
अच्छा, लेकिन थे सीबीआई के?
हाँ, ये तो ये लोग नहीं।
और कितने देर रुक के यहाँ पे गए हैं यहाँ से?
बोले सर आधा घंटा।
आधा घंटा में? तो आप लोगों से भी कुछ रिकॉर्ड करवाया?
नहीं, लोगों से कुछ नहीं रिकॉर्ड करवाया। वो अपना आए, अपना गए।
तो वो ये मकान का मालिक रोहन राय है या फिर किराए पे रहता है?
ये सब सर उतना जानकारी नहीं।
रोहन राय का ये मेरे को पूछ लो ना।
अच्छा सुनो ना, उसने सच में एंट्री नहीं की?
नहीं
तो आप लोगों ने बोला नहीं एंट्री कर दो?
हम लोग बोले तो
हम लोग बोले,
हाँ।
वो लोग ये नहीं बोले हमको 1202 में जाना है और
हाँ।
वो लोग सीधे चले गए।
और 1202 में रोहन ही रहता है?
हाँ, उसके तो इतना तो मालूम
तो
है।
चाबी था उनके पास?
नहीं, ये तो
तुम्हें कैसे मालूम? वो सीबीआई वाले थे ना?
नहीं, वो तो तभी तो सीबीआई वाले ही तो थे।
सीबीआई वाले ही थे ना?
और कितने घंटे रुके? मतलब 10 बजे आए? और
हाँ,
वो गाड़ी कौन सी थी?
आधा घंटा में? गाड़ी कौन सी थी?
गाड़ी स्विफ्ट डिजायर थी।
स्विफ्ट डिजायर में?
कौन से रंग की?
बाहर थी।
बाहर थी?
नंबर उसका?
Let's go across to my colleague Atul now, joining us live with more on this. Atul, you got us the sting operation, which clearly in a way shows us that the second leg of the CBI investigation has begun. And if the guard is to be believed, last night there were a team of 5 CBI members at the residence of Rohan Rai.
Well, definitely it was team of 4 to 5 persons who visited the house of Rohan Rai, and they were trying to collect evidences, the forensic evidences. I spoke to security guard and he has confirmed that there were 5 people. They went straight to 12th floor. It was it was the apartment number 12202, and the team spent around 1 hour there, and they then came down. They did not sign on the register, and definitely they were in the process to collect something, and they might have found something, a lead. So definitely this will be the second leg of the investigation will be fruitful, because we all know that Disha Salian case is connected to Sushant Singh Rajput, and definitely the probe agency, whether it be the CBI or the local police, they want a clue, a lead, and now they are finding it, and that was the reason yesterday night they visited there. And definitely what my sources is telling that they have found something, and it is being sent to the forensic lab, and after finding a report from the forensic lab, they will further to decide the future course of action.
Right. In fact, Atul, stay with us. We'll also go across to my other colleagues, Pradeep Bhandari and Shweta Srivastav, now joining us. Pradeep, to you first. This is certainly fast-paced developments happening in the second leg of the CBI investigations. We have been speaking from the very beginning of the direct link between Disha Salian and Sushant Singh Rajput's death. This is certainly a big step forward by the CBI now that they did visit Rohan Rai's residence.
Well, absolutely. This is a very big step that the CBI has visited Rohan Rai's apartment. Now, this is the same apartment from where Disha's body was found. And what is critical is that now officially it has been established that the CBI is probing both the cases, that is the murder of Sushant Singh Rajput along with Disha's mysterious death in an interlinked manner. So what happened, the individuals who were saying that it was a case of entire suicide, now this again falls flat, because if this was a case of suicide, you will not be seeing the CBI team moving on at Rohan Rai's apartment, that is Disha's case, in the same breath. And it's the same team of 5 officers which is investigating Sushant Singh Rajput's case. So the common team of officers is looking at both the case, establishing further that the CBI is looking at all the angles, and 302 on Sushant's case is very much alive. And it again gives a big slap on the faces of the suicide theorists. So you will see officially that Rohan Rai, if you remember that it was on Republic Media Network, that for the first time the testimony was given that Rohan Rai had a lot to reveal. Now Rohan Rai is the key link to Disha's murder, Disha's death and Sushant's murder. So you will see more fast-paced development happening up, and this is a very, very important development. Back to you.